Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to add serial numbers automatically in Excel. Here I have some data, and the first column is for serial numbers. We'll fill it automatically. First, let's convert this data into a table. Select all the cells, go to the Insert tab, and click on Table. Here, make sure My Table has headers is ticked, then click OK. You can change the table style from the Table Design tab. The benefit of using a table is that it automatically expands when we add new rows, and our serial number formula will adjust itself. Now in the first cell of the serial number column, type this formula, equals rows A2. Here A2 is the first data cell, and pressing F4 fixes it so the numbering stays correct. Press Enter, and Excel will automatically generate the serial numbers. Now, if you add or delete rows, the serial numbers will automatically update without any manual work. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.